Hey y'all, and welcome back to Easy Nails. Today I'm going to show you guys how I use Kupa Odorless Monomer and a brush size 20 to do a one ball method for acrylic nails. So if you guys are interested in that, please keep on watching. This is the brush that I got from American Nails. This is a faux Kolinksy size 20 acrylic nail brush. I wanted to try out the faux one before I decide if I want to invest in a kolinksy brush. They run about $60 for a size 20, so I wanted to invest in a cheaper alternative to see if it worked for me. So today I'm going to show you guys how I apply my acrylic nails with odorless monomer using the one ball method. So the odorless monomer that I'm currently in love with is Kupa Odorless Monomer. It smells like absolutely nothing, not even close to a monomer smell. If anything, if you put your nose up to it closely, it has a smell of a gel polish. So I really enjoy working with this monomer. I would suggest to you when working with an odorless monomer to use drier beads than what you are used to. And I like to add 2 droppers of acetone in the dappen dish there. It just helps it set much faster, so I highly recommend that. And I love the Kupa one. I think it's absolutely amazing. They are having a 30% off sale, I think through Cyber Monday, so it's a really good deal to get it. So working with the size 20 brush, I really enjoyed it. I thought it sped up my application time so much. I got through one hand in this video is sped up twice as fast, so about 16 minutes. So it really sped up my application, and it was super easy to do the one ball method. And then whatever areas I wanted to add opaqueness to, I just went back with a smaller bead. And yeah, I really enjoyed this. I found with the odorless and the 2 drops of monomer, the acrylic wasn't running everywhere. It applied smoothly. So I highly recommend trying this out. And when you are doing the one bead method, I like to hold the acrylic. I like to start at the cuticle area, but a little bit before the cuticle area. Hold your brush there for about 5 seconds, and then slowly press and pull your brush upwards, right? And then you can go back in, wipe your brush, get a little bit more monomer on your brush, and then go back and smooth everything out. So you guys can see I'm holding and pulling, wiping off my brush, tucking in those side walls, letting everything set first. Again, this is an odorless monomer that I added 2 drops of acetone to. And yeah, I found that this method was easiest for me. The biggest advice I would give you is just to be patient. And then it cuts down on your application time. Even though you think you're spending more time, it cuts down so much, and it cuts down on filing time. I almost had no filing to do on these nails, just to flush the cuticle, and that was it. So highly recommend trying out new things. Again, this is the one ball method, and I am testing out a size 20 brush using odorless monomer. I really love the Kupa one. I haven't really dabbled into any other ones because I heard that this one was the best. And honestly, I can tell you it works really well. After you apply it, after it cures, there is an inhibition layer. So just wipe that off with either isopropyl alcohol or swipe or any gel residue remover you have, and you are good to go. I got a really neat application with this. I am getting a size 20 brush coming in on Tuesday. I got it for Black Friday. I'm super excited. Let me know, you guys, what you got for Black Friday, any good deals you got. I ordered some stuff from Nail House, from Secret Nail Affair. I'm really excited. about those deliveries. I just got a huge Shein haul, my first one ever, and I was super impressed with everything. So look out for that. I'm still waiting on the stuff I got from the 11/11 sale from AliExpress. So yeah, and this here is just the application. I did decorate these nails. I did a sweater design and some hand-painted snowflakes. So the nail art on these will be in a separate video, and I want to show you guys how I pour it in. So if you guys are having issues or you don't have a squeezy bottle on your monomer lid, hold your brush directly above the dappen dish and slowly pour from the monomer bottle over the brush. And that's a really easy way to pour it into the tiny dappen dish so you don't spill everywhere. Here I am encapsulating the nails with the one ball method. Again, I started from the cuticle area, held the brush there for about 3 to 5 seconds, right? You guys can see it there. And then I am just slowly patting and pulling it into place. Super, super easy. Absolutely loved using the one ball method with this brush. But you can do it with any brush, you guys. Yeah, don't feel pressured or anything to use a large brush. You just want to take a big enough size bead. Here I'm trying a different approach to the one ball method. I turned my brush to the side. And then I applied it that way. That also worked really, really well. You guys can see how easy it applies. You just want to make sure that you are cleaning up the cuticle area really well, pulling and patting the acrylic down the nail, and then you can add any extra to any places you feel are sparse. I did try to use a bunch of different acrylics to show you guys how to do the one ball method. I used glitters and solid colors. So yeah, I really did enjoy this acrylic application. I hope I helped you guys learn how to apply Odorless Monomer. An acrylic application, I highly recommend the Kupa one, and then adding that acetone is like perfect. So yeah, I highly recommend this, you guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. You guys can see how I'm doing this here. See, holding it there 5 seconds and then pressing and pulling, like a really light pressure, and then just pull it, and you're gonna see that acrylic literally pulls down the nail. It works really, really well. And then I wipe my brush. I go in with a bit more monomer, wipe my brush again, and then go and pat and pull it down the nail. And then I like to press the sides of the nail, a new tip that I learned. So I put my brush up and down and I press the sides of the nail, and that gets you a super crisp shape. Absolutely love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this odorless acrylic application tutorial with one ball method. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Make sure you are subscribed. I am holding a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. I appreciate you all. I hope everybody had a marvelous Thanksgiving and so excited for the holiday season. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it was helpful, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.